Before ya share information so you could drop on chroma say China ne Paris club no one more aye crowd the ombe bi ade boy na emo aye hia free IMF mpanifo ho na fe yetimi akoye ni mu no onso le beboye Adom TV Kasee etoso.
Information Minister Kojo Opon Nkrumah e de abetudwa se Ghana ban no ene China aban no akosi nkonya e de niema egu akwam se ne Ghana ka ye de no womo ebetimi aboaye amyetua saa eka no na we eye anamo a womo etu a ebeboa Ghana ama anamontu a womo tu e de akọ IMF no womo etimi edinkunim ensemi ebetu dwa abra Oswafo no hwe Ghana sikasem so Kenu Foriata eko China krom ho ene mpinifo ekosi nkonya na we enam so amakojo Opon Nkrumah e de ato dom ketwa nanim e wo mrahye bedwam se womo emoa aban no na nhyehyeye a womo de agu akwam no womo entimi eniso na emoa oman Ghana.
On the external side, primarily the members of the Paris Club and China were our primary entities that we needed to engage with, and we think that those engagements are going pretty well. The finance minister has just returned from China, as I'm sure you are aware, and we have reason to believe that those engagements are going pretty well. What is outstanding now is the passage of the 3 final revenue measures that we are looking at here in Ghana, which was part of our original fiscal program that was rolled out. The Income Tax Amendment Bill, the Growth and Stabilization or the Growth and Stability Levy Bill, and then the Excise Duty Amendment Bill.
We nam so ama Ghana Union of Traders Association ene AGI enso e de abetudwa se anamo aban ne etu no eyade a ebegu enwuma e wo mamu a nanso no Information Minister e de abetudwa se eyanamo a sese aban ne etu se ne ebeboa e wo womo nhyehyeye a womo ebeye no.
For every revenue measure, somebody will be affected. And so it is understandable that somebody will push back saying that this will affect me. That's understandable. But we must also look at the bigger picture of what we want to achieve collectively as a republic. And in the midst of that, also be willing to have a certain conversation. What are the tweaks that can be made to the current draft of the bill as is, so that we can find a good middle ground and still close this about 4 billion gap that we need to do on the revenue side.